or, you know, a pair of rubber sandals. Let's be real, right? But hello and welcome back to my channel, or shall I say welcome. If you see my face for the very first time, welcome. Come on and join me today. My name is Adeleye Awoli. Here on Passion Heavily, I share self-development videos in different areas as fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Now, on my channel, my goal and my mission here is to inspire you beautiful ladies out there, okay, to feel better, look better, and do better every single day. If this sounds like something that you'd be interested in, make sure that you join me every week, every Sunday, okay, as I publish new videos every Sunday. My beautiful, sophisticated, elegant ladies, I say a big welcome to you, and I give you a virtual hug like I always do. Thank you so much for always being here with me on my channel. So ladies, if you have watched this video up here in March this year, where I share all the items that I got for my birthday, I did mention you know, this sandal here in that video as well, okay? And I did promise that I was going to share all about these sandals, the pros, if there's any con, sizing, things like that in another video. So here we are. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my first purchase from Hermes, okay, and that's what the box looks like. Okay, this was a birthday gift from my hubby this year. I absolutely love you know, the box. I mean, it's Hermes, right? So again, like I said, this is my first item. Apart from my fragrances, I do have two fragrances from this fashion house, but apart from that, this is like the first fashion item I'm going to get from this brand. So ladies, this sandal that I have here with me is called the Egerie Sandals, and I have it in the marine blue color. Okay, so in that video where I shared all about my birthday gift, I did kind of share with you like a sneak peek. So it does come with all the authentication, of course, because my husband got this on the website. I feel like this, don't quote me, but I feel like you can only get it on the website. I did get it on, you know, my husband got it from the website. Okay, so it does come with two dust bag, which is great, and it has the Hermes logo on each of it. And I must say that the quality of the dust bag is top tier as expected. Okay, and I got, like I said, I got it in this aquamarine, this royal blue, my favorite in the entire world color. Okay, and I will say this sandal is actually true to size, so it does have you know, the design right there. Hopefully you can see that. And also I love the fact that it has the H, all the H letter stamped at the back of the sandal as well. So I did get my my true size, which is size 40 European. Okay, and it also has Hermes right there with the crest, and so that is, now that is getting much warmer and better, I'm definitely going to wear it. I think I'm going out with the kids tomorrow, so I might wear this. And I will say, if you're interested in getting this you know, sandals, I will say, you know, true to size, because like I said, I did get my true to size. And I feel like even though now the material is TPU, okay, it's TPU, it's rubber sandals. I know that other brands also, you know, do this style or this type of rubber sandal. I know Coach has it. I know Tory Burch also has it. So quite a number of brands also do, you know, this rubber sandal literally every year. And it's perfect for summer, for the beach. I will say this is a perfect pair that you can totally enjoy at the beach. Of course, you have to be careful so that, you know, you don't lose it at the beach, but it is extremely appropriate. It is appropriate for the beach. It is appropriate for every day. going to the park with the kids, running errands. Yeah, so this is appropriate for that, and definitely that's what I will be, wearing it with the American website. The colors on the American website, I think they have about 3 colors. They have the noir, which is the black. They have this color, and then they have like a teal color on the American website as well. But here in Canada, it's just this blue one and the black that is available to us, Canadians. I'm not sure why, but that's what I have noticed on their website. Okay, and for the price point of these sandals, it's actually $420 Canadian without taxes. So by the time you check out, taxes, I think was free shipping, if I'm not mistaken. So with taxes and everything, it brings you to about maybe $460, $470 thereabout. Okay, and yeah, like I said, the Canadian website does it comes in 2 colors. And yeah, so sandals is, like I said earlier on, it is true to size. However, I find that because it's a thong sandal, the design here tends to kind of hurt me a little bit. And also because again, it's a thong sandal, and I typically don't go for thong, just because sometimes I feel like it hurts in between my toes. But we'll see, as time goes on. The fabric or the material is not cheap at all. Of course, it is Hermes. Why would it be if I'm paying $400 for over $400 for a pair of rubber sandals? Let's be real, right? But I mean, as you can see, it's very beautiful. Okay, the color is absolutely amazing. Again, I love the touch of detail of the M, stamped all across the sandal, and it is made in Italy. Okay, and yeah, and it does have, I just noticed right now that it does have like a code at the back, there. Again, I guess, just for you to know that it is authentic, because you know how it is these days with things being, with, the fakes out there. But yeah, so far, I'm looking at it right now just to be able to give you more information. But I love the kind of chain detail, like the chain design that it goes all around. It's very unique. I love that. And also, I think that also is part of the Hermes, logo. And yeah, so I think that's about it for this video. I just wanted to make this quick video all about this sandal, and just to kind of share with you. I was looking at the website the other day, and I'm not sure if this color goes up to 40 here in Canada, or up to, sorry, 41, because I mean, it's not tight for me, but it's like true to size. I would maybe check again, but at the time of filming this video that I checked a few days ago, the biggest size you can get in this sandal is the 40, which I currently have right now. Okay, and yeah, so I just wanted to come on here quickly and just kind of share with you all about this sandal, and I cannot wait to wear it. And if you follow me on Instagram, definitely I will be sharing how I'm wearing or how I'm styling this sandal. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram if you're yet to follow me on Instagram, as I share style inspiration. I share my outfit of the day. I share things that I'm loving, things I just bought, things like that on my Instagram. So make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. Okay, and having said that, thank you so much for watching today's video. Okay, and I will see you next week. I will see you in my next video. And as I always say, ladies, we do not do any drama. Okay, we aim to progress in our lives. Okay, and having said that, I will see you in my next video. Thank you again for tuning in to watch today's video, and take care. Bye. God bless. Bye.